and it's gonna be a resonator delete, but not for the exhaust, but this is gonna be for the intercooler connected to the turbo. So if you guys haven't seen my old video, please check it out. I talk about this a little bit, not too much, but I do explain where I get it from. And it's from, if you guys want to check it out, it's from 6 Element Engineering, and it's a cool website. It has a bunch of mods for different type of cars, and I went there just because they had specific mods for the Elantra Sport, so that's where I went to. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open this up, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. But pretty much, if I haven't said it already, this is gonna be the connecting point between the intercooler and the turbo. So it has been proven that it does remove a little bit more lag, even though I don't really feel much anymore with the colder intake. It made a huge difference in the car. And also as well, it does prove to give some horsepower numbers according to some people who have dynoed the car with this item. So I'm gonna fast forward it real quick so I can open it up for you guys, and I'll show you guys real quick how it looks like. This is pretty much everything you get in the box right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So the box is garbage for now. So what you get in the box is the branding right there, 6 Element Engineering. Tells you a little bit about, you know, the things and everything like that. I'm gonna go to the review. Item number. Okay, so here's the name right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Intercooler Resonator Delete Pipe. Alright. 2018 Honda Elantra Sport. And here's the item itself. This one handle real quick. Yeah, I know it don't look like much, but I'm gonna see if I can show you guys when I pull out the original one. I'm gonna show you how that one looks like compared to this one. The other one is, I don't want to say the same because it's really not the same. The other one has 2 connect points, the same, pretty much like that. But in the middle, the other one has like a big round spot, like about like that big, that pops out all around. And then if you look at it from the inside, it has like multiple holes in the inner. So pretty much when it's getting the airflow going through from the intercooler and the turbo, it messes it up, and it kind of like slows it down because of those little inserts with the holes. So what the whole point of this is to pretty much just straight pipe it, pretty much. So there's no lag in the airflow. So I'll show you guys in a bit how the other one looks like, and I'm gonna be inserting this one to see if there's a difference. Probably won't be because it's so small and out of all the mods I've done, but yeah, you can check it out real quick. I have the car all jacked up already, and the car's ready to go for me to put the part on. I just need to remove the bottom cover of the car. Right there, it's a bunch of little bolts I gotta remove off. Got the tools ready and everything. So before I get started, I wanted to show you guys, if you guys haven't seen my car already in a while, or you guys are new to the channel, I have carbon fiber little covers right here for the mirrors. I need to wash the car. Some sun visors, and you can see it says Avante. That's pretty much the South Korean version of this car. That's where this car originates from. And then I got a carbon fiber spoiler right here through the back. Nothing too much. And if you guys haven't seen it already, I have like the shark teeth exhaust right there, and then all that comes stock already. All this part right here, the diffuser. So not much, just this part. Shark teeth been done for a while. I don't think I've shown it. And then the carbon fiber mirrors. I think that's pretty much it from what I have done to it from the last time. So yeah, let's get started on this, and I will show you guys the difference on both pipes. Let's do it. And here's the undercarriage of the vehicle. Transmission right here. A couple of stuff. Intercoolers right here, and then the fan. But what we're going to be doing is removing this insert right here, and then this is going to be the pipe that goes to the intercooler, which is right here, and then it goes straight into the turbo. If you guys can see that right there, I don't know if I'm getting a clear view. And then goes the exhaust system right there, the primary cap, and the secondary cap has been removed, running over to the back all straight. So let's get to it. We're gonna remove this part right here, and we can be able to put the resonator delete. So I'm gonna need to put the insert in here, but I'm struggling to get this one out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this whole piece off right here. I already got one off right here. I already took off the clamp, or loosened it up. And what I'm gonna do is loosen up this one right here as well. And I'm gonna take this whole thing out, and once I have it outside, I'll be able to work with it easier. Put the pipe into this part, clamp it on, and all I need to do is come in here, clamp it to here, then clamp it to here, and I'll be done. So let me just get it out of here, and I'll show you guys a closer look at how this one looks once I get it all out, and I'll show you side-to-side comparison with the other one. I want you guys to really get a good look at it. It's just pure solid inside, no indents, and in person it looks bigger than it does on camera, but those are actually pretty decent sized holes in there. There's 4 total, but if I actually stick my finger in there, it's like a 1/4 inch, about 1/4 inch width, and it's on 4 little inserts right there, little holes. So as the airflow is going from the intercooler to the turbo, to let it get more airflow into the turbo, which in other words will make it spool up faster, we're having issues with this thing, you know, resonating it. So once we go from this to that, we should be able to see a difference in some sound or something. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like installed, and I'm gonna rev it up, see if there's a big difference or anything like that. Yeah, I just put it on right now so I can show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I don't want to jump start ahead of anything, but so this is the part that's gonna be connected now. This is the new pipe. All I need to do is insert into here, which is kind of being a pain right now. I just clamped this one on, so this was good. So what I'm gonna do is just put in this pipe through here, clamp this, clamp that, and I'll be ready to go. And I'm gonna be showing you guys a before and after test on it. And then here's all the clamps on it. So now it's time to rev it and show you guys a before and after. Car at a regular stance. Pretty much how it looks like now with the rims, carbon fiber little mirror, sun visors, and a little spoiler in the back. So let's get to it. Let's rev it up and see if you guys see a difference. But as I look at inside the little resonator tubing, the original one actually had like a big difference inside, being that it resonated the airflow. So let's check it out. Let's rev it up and see.